This video explains the tutorial for wired control of the Canon R Series II camera using the MOVNORM series monitors. Connect one end to the camera's Type-C port and the other end to the monitor's remote port. Tap the monitor screen to open the menu. Click Camera, then select Wi-Fi USB to 0.4 grams. When the monitor recognizes the camera and displays the control menu, the connection is successful. Click Rec to start or stop recording. Click Focus to activate camera focusing. Click Iris to adjust the aperture value. Click Shutter to modify the shutter speed. Click ISO to adjust the camera's ISO settings. Click Focus in MF mode. Use buttons to manually adjust focus. In AF mode, enable touch to focus on the monitor screen. Click WB to switch white balance presets. When white balance is set to color temperature, click CT to fine-tune color temperature. The above is a tutorial on using MOVNORM series monitors to control the Canon R Series II camera via a wired connection.